Good morning. It's Wednesday morning, and you are trying to either escape or love on me. Last night she was licking and nibbling me like love bites. Let's see if she'll do it today. Oh, love bites, love bites. I don't know if it's love or like wanting treats or what, but she's much nicer since she's become a mom. You guys will remember how she would always run away and hide, and it was so hard to catch her, but now she's coming up and loving me. Except for that, I have to check your babies and you're in the way. So, you just gotta scoot over. Okay, let's look at these cuties. Looks like she pulled more fur for them. This was not all in here before. Let's see, who all is still alive? Big belly. Oh, look! Orange baby has a big belly. That's really good. It was all skinny before. 3 big bellies. 4 big bellies, 5 big bellies. Ooh, little brown baby has a medium-sized belly, and it was skinny last night. Oh, look! The Cambria color baby also has a medium-sized belly. And then there's some milk in this little one, too. This one looks like it got peed on its face and stuff. It could be peed on by itself or other siblings. 9 babies, 8 of which have some milk in them. I will just put them out and check on them later. Nope. Baby check time again. It's Wednesday night. Excuse me, thank you. Oh my gosh, you guys are over friendly. Fat baby Zsholtie, please, give me some room. 2 fat babies, 3 fat babies, medium-sized baby, fat baby, skinny baby, medium baby, big. Everyone's alive, everyone's doing okay. Looks like their nest in the back isn't very nesty anymore. So because it's cooler in the evening, I'm going to make sure they stay nice and warm, making them a little nest and covering up them with some more bedding. Alright, see you tomorrow. It's baby check time. Excuse me, mommy. Oh my gosh! Look at this huge belly! Look at that! That's awesome! Look at you, baby! It's huge! That's white baby. Chocolate baby's belly is full. Move, Zsholtie. I'm sorry, you can't come over here. Lilac's belly is nice and full. Look at that big belly. Orange baby's belly is huge. You can kind of see the milk showing through the skin. Other white baby, huge. 3rd white baby, nice and fed. I think this is a lilac tort. Lilac tort baby, fed. Cambria looking color baby, fed. Patchy baby. Oh look, Patchy baby's fed. Look at that belly. It's so skinny. Because it hasn't been fed for so long. Look at the comparison difference between these two. They're the same age. This one's been fed a whole bunch all the time. This one's been fed not very much. But this time, all 9 of them have big bellies. There's no even medium size. They're all full. What a good girl you are, Zsholtie. Thank you for being such a good girl. I'm out here moving the rabbits in the tractors, and it looks like Zuzu gave birth. She didn't make a nest at all. 2 kits are dead, but 1 is alive. Hey, everybody. Dead baby, come here. 2nd dead baby. And then the alive one is under here. It's right there. So I guess I'll move them. Get the baby out from under there. Hi, baby. You're alive. I'm so glad we don't have to house our rabbits in tractors permanently, because all of the litters we've had in tractors, both of them I should say, have gone terribly. So, honestly, the only option we have with this baby that would work is to foster him to Zsholtie's litter. Because Zuzu didn't make a nest, she probably won't feed him either, and it's only 1 baby, so he'd probably freeze by himself. I believe these kits are within a week old of each other in age. So I guess we'll be fostering. There's nothing else much I can do besides just letting him die. Let's see. Yeah, these two are the exact same size, practically. So I guess now we have 10. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 angoras and 1 meat mutt. All together. Now you can have some friends, little baby. Looks like it's a tort color. You can tell it was not fed when it was born. I can see if I can pull up the video of whenever these guys were first born and how fat they were, but you see how unfat this one is. Really cool to see the difference. Okay, so now that Zsholtie just had enough of her 12 kits die, so that she has 9, which is enough to nurse by herself, so we're just going to add one more. So 10 is technically too many for her. Does typically have 8 teats, and so 10 is 2 more than 8, but she was doing okay with 9, so we'll just have to see how she does with 10. It's possible that fostering that baby will throw her off and she'll stop nursing them and they'll all die, or that the baby will be rejected by her and not fed, or she could attack it and kill it. But so far, she's being so much like her mother Sequoia in her amazingness and being a good mom that she'll probably do just fine. So it's a risk I'm willing to take. I would feel much worse if I just killed that kit when I had a chance to save him, even if that chance is somewhat risky. Friday morning check. I see 1 baby. Oh my gosh, look at this belly. This is the chocolate baby. How huge that is. 1 white baby, huge belly. That's pretty usual. Tort baby, huge belly. Other white baby, huge belly. Last white baby, huge belly. Lilac Harley baby, big belly. Black baby, big belly. Orange baby, big belly. Patchy baby, big belly. And let's see about this meat kit. Look at that belly. It's full, partially. Not super full, but pretty okay. And it's alive and seems to be fitting in pretty well with the others. I'm sorry, everybody, that I all brought you all together. I know it's hot, so I'll spread you out again. Yay, so our foster baby is doing all right. They're spread out a little bit. But just look at how pretty this face is. Isn't that so gorgeous? I'm so excited to see what all these rabbits look like when they get bigger. They're starting to get their fur on. Look at the face. Isn't it so cool? Isn't that so cute? It's all orange except for this one little spot. So adorable. Oh, this one looks like it has some like silver bits on the ears and feet and stuff. That's to be expected, but so pretty still. I'm so excited for so many beautiful colors. I'm surprised they're surviving this long. What a huge blessing. Time for the Friday night check on the babies, especially our foster one. Oh no. Oh no, white one is dead. It wasn't much warmer than usual or anything today. Maybe just got to him too much. Foster baby looks okay. Zsholtie, go get out of the way. Orange baby looks like he peed, but he's alright. Oh, Zsholtie, get out of the way. You're bugging me. It looks like some real nasty poop and pee mixed together, and it looks like some of the other ones have a little bit as well. That's not a good sign. Zsholtie, stop bugging me. Little patchy one doesn't look very fed at all. Little tort one, ugh, look at that bottom. It's all gross. He's all skin and bones. Let me see if I can clear his bum. Okay, that's a little bit better. Second white one, who's still alive. His bum looks pretty okay, and there's some normal poop and pee on it. This is little Cambria color black kit. It's acting like it's gonna probably die soon. All real skinny. Well, we were doing okay. The white one and the chocolate one are acting pretty normal. The rest of them are acting kind of odd. We'll put everyone back, take the dead kid out, cover them up for the night. I guess prepare ourselves for some more dead babies in the morning. You've been going longer than I thought you would. Being a good mom longer than I thought, and these babies have been surviving longer than I thought. So I guess it's better than nothing. And some of them are still acting normal and okay. So that's alright, I guess. Oh, this isn't a very good sign, though. Roxy! There you go. Good girl. Alright, it's Saturday morning, and I'm gonna check on the babies. I'm afraid to even do it because so many of them might be dead. Excuse me, Mommy. First of all, it looks like Zsholtie has been eating the bedding in here. All of a sudden, we have very little bedding in here. All the hay is like gone. So that's kind of odd. I'll have to add more after I finish checking on them. Okay, Cambria baby is still alive. Little Tort baby's still alive. Orange baby looks full. That's really good. Look how full. Here's little adopted baby. Doesn't look full, but still alive. White baby looks full. Nasty bottom babies. Bottom doesn't look super nasty. Little patchy baby. Oh, patchy baby looks like he has some milk in him. Chocolate baby looks full and alive. And other white baby looks full and has a little bit of poopy, but not that much. And alive. And yeah, the tips of his ears and paws look like they're a little silvering, which is so cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they're all alive and looking better than yesterday. And it looks like they were fed, even though some of them didn't get to nurse, some of them did. This is a very pleasant surprise. I was sure we'd find some more dead babies. They were acting so poorly last night. Okay, I'm gonna go grab more hay to put in their nest because we need to absorb all that poop and pee. And I'm gonna close the door so Zsholtie doesn't escape. Hi, Mommy. Crazy Mommy. Please stop being so friendly. Okay, how are we gonna do this? Maybe I'll bring the kits out. I have pockets in my apron. Maybe I'll just put them in my apron pocket. Zsholtie, come on. That's better. Yeah, that's not treats for you. This is for your babies. Okay. That's all of them. Zsholtie, stop. Just stop. Alright, we're good. Put the babies back. That's good. Hopefully the hay lasts a few days. She's still nursing them. We're doing okay. Thank you for nursing them. I can stand you being crazy and lovey and bitey if you'll keep nursing them. And I'll even stand you eating their hay in their nest. Thank you. This ought to keep them distracted for a little while and give Zsholtie an extra boost of nutrients so she can continue producing good milk. Lots of food scraps. Oh, some yummy food scraps.